to my channel. Hey, I'm back. So, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cute yummy dummy delight. So today we are going to make something yummy. So we're going to need cheese, pineapple, tiny cube, a whole one, and some cherries, and one more thing, blueberry. Okay. So we're gonna even need toothpick. Take the toothpick, insert a cheese cube. That's all if you want to make it tiny. And the orange cheese. Look. It's not necessary. Simply just do it. Ah, it's gone. Anyway. So we put the cheese. Wait, now we put the pineapple. Go in. Oh, wait. That's right. Now blueberry and the sticky go. Oh, looks like all of it now. And a cherry on top. Okay, so a perfect little snack is prepared. I'm not gonna eat it now. We're really surprised. Let's make some more cheese cubicles. Poop in one straw you go. Poop in one straw you go. On the straw you go, the cheese is waiting for you. Go on the straw, cheese is waiting. Yay! So we have done it to the pineapple. Now tell me, what's next? Is it the apple? No apples. Is it the berry or the cherry? It's a berry. And you go with the stick where the cheese and pineapple are waiting for you. On the other stick you go where the cherry and pineapple and cheese waiting for you. And you go. Cherry with blueberry and cheese and pineapple are waiting for you. And you go cherry with the blueberry and pineapple and cheese are waiting for you. So it's ready. Cute little snack cubicles ready. Show you them. Cool, right? So that's all for this time. Bye bye, guys. And remember to stay sweet. And subscribe to our channel. Never forget to subscribe and hit that bell button right there. Never ever miss a channel. A new video.